Hi, I want to show you my second homework for the ES6 course in Purple. More about mm, the idea of variables and the new variables assigned in the new JavaScript. Here I have some explanation about the variables and how the global variable var in when created in some of the areas of the code, it allows to be changed all over the code. It can be modified or called, no matter what it is. Especially if it is in a function or if it is declared on the outside of the code. But in ES6 we have some new variables called let and const. The first one is a variable that is a function that it can not be out of a function or the place where it was declared in. The variable will not be available in other part of the code, and the const is a variable that works exactly like the let one, but it doesn't have um, the ability to change completely. If it is an object or an array, it can be changed, but only a part of the variable. I have some example. Here I create some booleans that are global variables. We can have access all over the code, and then I have a function. It's called create_dog. I have to create some variables with some strings that simulates the name of some dogs. My first one is a var. Uh, it is called dog, and I can have access to it here after the if that is true, and then in the other if I have access to it, I can modify it, change the name to Furialize to Lassie, and in the end of the function I can change the name to I can print the dog name. Later on I have a let that is called secret dog. I name it bold, and then I try to change the name, and then I try to print it. And I forgot this part. I have the booleans. I change the boolean value to false to true in the line of code. I can do it because it is a global variable. And I try to run this one, and it runs an error because I try to print the secret dog outside in the place it was declared, that is this if. If I copy or cut and paste it over here, clear, run, I change the name because it is part of the if, and I change the name from bold to Leica and then print it. I can do it because it is inside the function. Then if I want to change the value of the const, for example to immortal dog to face, for example, it shows me that I am trying to change a constant, and yeah, it won't work. I'm going to print the dog, and it goes on error. Mainly because it is outside the code. I would put it here because the constant work exactly like the let one. Yeah. Oh, I created another one. Sorry. There you go. It is not running because mainly because of the error. Because I'm trying to override this one. I try to change this one and it doesn't work. Yeah. If I delete this one, it prints correctly, and yeah, I can see the order, Leica, this one, crypto, this one, I print it here, and lastly, the dog, the principal one, outside the code. And yeah, that is mainly the code, and this is how I going to this is how I'm going to let the code be before uploading it. Thank you.